What is your one needle felting bugbear, and what would you really like to see in a needle felting tutorial? My name is Charlotte Allen and you've reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. So this is a really short video today. I basically just want to ask you guys what you would like to see in my videos. What do you want to know in terms of needle felting? Do you have any bugbears that are really stressing you out and you just don't know how to deal with it? Or is there a particular tutorial that you'd really like to learn how to do and nobody else on YouTube needle felting wise does that tutorial? Let me know in the comments bar below and I will try and get on it and cover as many of your requests as possible. Now I do apologise for my surroundings. I'm kind of filming on the fly here in my car, which is a very snazzy Dacia, but please do let me know because I really want to help you out, and the more comments you give me, the more videos I can make to really cover all of the issues and problems that you might have. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hopefully I will cover as much as possible in terms of what you want to know about needle felting. But for now I'm going to say bye and I will see you tomorrow.